Hey guys, welcome back to Test of Home. Different voice today. The usual angelic voice is under the weather, unfortunately. Today, we're sharing our journey into backyard chicken keeping, from our first flock to building DIY incubators, dealing with sick chicks, and finally enjoying fresh eggs from our own coop. It all begins each morning opening their coop door and watching them explore their run, just one part of our suburban homesteading journey. It all started with these three, our very first cock and 2 hens. Like many suburban homesteaders, we started small, learning as we went. One of our first lessons was about feed. Regular trips to the poultry shop became part of our routine. We were fortunate to connect with an experienced Brahma chicken farmer who became our mentor. His beautiful Brahmas showed us what was possible with proper care. He even kept ostriches. While that's not our suburban plans, it was inspiring to see, and maybe we might implement these in our rural homestead. His approach to feeding and managing a larger flock gave us valuable insights for our own setup. Excited to grow our flock, we built our first DIY incubator using simple materials. The anticipation of waiting for eggs to hatch was nerve-wracking, but the joy of seeing that first chick break through the shell was absolutely worth it. As we gained confidence, we upgraded to a second version of our DIY incubator with better temperature control and humidity management. If you'd like to see how we built our incubator, kindly watch the video in the description below or on the tag above. Each successful hatch felt like a small miracle. Tired but curious little chicks entering the world under our care. Once hatched, the chicks needed a warm, safe environment. Our DIY brooder was nothing fancy, just a plastic crate with a heat lamp, but it did the job perfectly. Our first Brahma chicks required special attention. Their fluffy feet made them adorable, but also more susceptible to certain conditions. As our confidence grew, we started allowing mother hens to raise their own chicks in our glass room extension. There's something special about watching a mother hen teach her little ones. Collecting eggs quickly became our favorite family activity. Each one felt like a little gift from our backyard. The bond between a mother hen and her chicks is remarkable to witness. As the chicks grow, they need more space to run and explore. We created a separate area for them to develop without competing with adult birds. But raising chickens wasn't always sunshine and fresh eggs. Like any farming venture, we faced challenges. One of our toughest moments was dealing with sick chicks. This little one gave us quite a scare. We rushed to the feed store for antibiotics, hoping we weren't too late. Learning to mix medications properly was a crucial skill we had to develop quickly. Nursing a sick chick back to health requires patience and gentle care. We kept this one separate, carefully administering medicines with a teaspoon. The relief when they start to recover is indescribable. Each day we watched for improvement. Talking to them might seem silly to some, but that connection helps both the birds and us. The joy of seeing them active and eating again after being so ill is something every backyard chicken keeper understands. We've incorporated natural remedies into our chicken care routine. Aloe Vera has become a staple. We add it to their water for immune support. And surprisingly, they actually enjoy eating it too. Treats like worms are not just for their enjoyment, they provide essential protein and keep the chickens active and engaged. Preventative care like regular antibacterial treatments in their water has helped us maintain a healthy flock. One of the joys of raising chickens is sharing the experience with family. There's something special about baking with eggs that came from chickens you've raised yourself. The chickens have become part of our family. Even our once sick chick eventually became comfortable enough to explore beyond its recovery recovery pen. Anyone who thinks chickens are boring hasn't spent enough time with them. These curious creatures provide endless entertainment. Our backyard setup has evolved and we've learned more about their needs and behavior. Sometimes the best footage comes from just setting up the camera and letting them be themselves. Young roosters establishing their pecking order is a natural part of flock dynamics. Collecting eggs remains one of the most satisfying parts of chicken keeping. Each chicken develops its own personality. This curious Brahma and black Australope hybrid has been one of our most inquisitive birds. Chicks are naturally curious and will often run toward anything new in their environment. And yes, they'll try almost anything, including spaghetti. Their omnivorous nature means they enjoy a variety of treats. Our backyard chicken journey has taught us resilience, patience, and the joy of producing our own food. From DIY solutions to health challenges, every step has brought us closer to our goal of self-sufficient living. Whether you are in a suburban backyard like us or dreaming of a rural homestead, chickens are a wonderful step toward a more sustainable lifestyle. If you're considering starting your own flock, we hope our journey inspires you. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with each challenge comes valuable knowledge. We wanted to share something special with you today. After years of raising chickens in our backyard, we've created a comprehensive guide that covers everything we've learned along the way. In our free Test of Home guide to backyard chickens, we break down exactly what you need to get started. From the measurement of the chicken coop to the amount you need to set up your chicken coop, we've shared why we fell in love with Brahmas for their gentle temperament around children, despite their feathered feet needing extra care during wet conditions. This guide includes our exact DIY incubator specifications, maintaining that critical 37.5 degree temperature and the proper humidity that resulted in successful hatches. We also detail our natural health remedies, like how we use aloe vera in drinking water during stress periods and seasonal changes, something you saw work wonders with our chick that was sick. For South African chicken keepers, we've included specific resources like the SA Poultry Association contact, local Facebook groups where you can connect with other backyard farmers. Download this guide for free using the link in the description below. It contains all our hard-earned knowledge from years of trial and error, so you can avoid the mistakes we made and enjoy fresh eggs from your backyard sooner. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and follow our continuing homestead journey.